Alright guys, I want you to take one guess on where we're going today. What is up guys? Welcome back to SoCal Exploring's channel. This is LoshTV. You guys know me by now. If you don't, do me a favor and do a few things. I was gonna say 3, but I think it's more than 3 or less. I talk about all things horror nights. Orlando, Hollywood. I'm gonna start covering Singapore too. Why not? I won't go, but I'm gonna cover it. Go follow all my socials. That is Instagram and Twitter. King Losh on Twitter. On Instagram, it is LoshTV. Listen to Horror Nights Unscripted. I could tell you guys about my merch, but I'd rather have you guys go check out Horror Nights Unscripted. But since we talked about the merch, teesprings.com/stores/LoshTV. Go check me out. I'm gonna check out SeaWorld here for Scott and with you guys. So let's do it. All right, so I'm in line for the temperature screening, and we have the 6 feet markers all over the floor. Yeah, that's about it. It's a long line though. I'm all the way in the middle of the parking lot, and then it's all the way over there. They also have a loud audio speaking. So yeah, it's in Spanish right now. So yeah, it's basically telling you to maintain social distance, wear a mask, and all the good stuff. Sanitizer station, temperature screening, obviously. And then I saw the maps went digital, so you can scan that QR code and get the map as well. So here's one of the signs. So yeah. All right, so we just finished our temperature screening, and now we're going to go get our bags. Well, not our bags, ourselves metal detect, because metal detectors are at every park. And then we're gonna go into the park and explore. All right, so we are in SeaWorld right now, guys. Walking right past Manta. I'm gonna get a nice little picture for you guys of it coming down. But for right now, I'm just gonna walk around the park, show you guys how all the guidelines are being followed or not followed, and we'll see. So far, it's been kind of shitty. Sorry, not to say shitty, but kind of bad. I don't like the way they're following the guidelines because people aren't wearing masks. They're not wearing them properly. They'll wear the mask, but they're not wearing them properly, and it's like, it kind of really sucks. But gotta think about it. It's not that big of a company. So you just gotta hope things get better. And this looks like a very long line. So we'll see what we do. But right now, let's go check out all the animals and see everything that's going on here at SeaWorld. All right, and since we're at the park already, let's go look at the construction for Icebreaker. If you guys don't know, Icebreaker is a new attraction that's opening this year at SeaWorld. Let's go look at it. That is Icebreaker for you. She goes behind the stadium. Then we'll go over there, we'll walk closer to her and get a better look at her. Here's another view of Icebreaker. Just walking up to her. Of course, most of it's behind walls. Should be opening up this year. Very soon. All right, so after seeing Icebreaker, let's go check out the newest thing at the park, which is Sesame Street Land. I have yet been here. This is my first time coming here ever. So let's go check it out. All right, so there's a lot of cool stuff going on here. We got all this stuff. All right. So what caught my attention, makes sense, all the interactive play areas are closed. However, the interactive like game thing, where you gotta press beef, tomato, cheese, pasta, and onion. Yeah, this is still functioning. Ah.
Wait a minute. I almost forgot this water. Be right back.
these are working as well if I hover over.
What? Oh, hello! One moment! I was just fluffing out my lovely blue fur. It is not so easy being this cute, you know.
So it's a hot day. I don't feel like waiting for Infinity Falls, but me and Scott discussed how we had to take a mask off for Jurassic Park. Didn't have to, but you could have for the 3 parks. And I want to see now, by the people coming down, if you have to wear a mask or not. So let's look and see. I'm not gonna ride anything. I might as well go into the shark encounter and see some animals. Am I right? Let's go do it. So they have this whole area closed off, which is like an interactive area.
There's one.
They have the maps everywhere where you can scan the QR code and get the map online. It is time for me to get on my first ride of the day. I've been here for 4 hours now, but I feel like it's about time, so I'm walking into Antarctica. Rise of the Penguin, something about a penguin. Can never remember the name of this attraction. However, I'm walking in a very long queue line just to get in, to then ride it, to then show you guys some penguins at the end.
Closer and closer.
The pre-shows are still going on here. That's totally different.
Time is running out for one little penguin named Puck.
Alright, so it looks like Journey to Atlantis is still not running. Sad because I was looking forward to riding it. But hopefully next time I'm out here, it's running. Fingers crossed. It's closed due to weather, so I can't ride her either. Really sucks, but it's fine. It's fine. It's really fine. I'm okay. I'm completely fine. I'm not hurt or anything. I'm doing fine. Now I'm gonna call it a wrap from SeaWorld Orlando today. I had fun, if you want to say that. So yeah, I had fun, if you want to call it that. I didn't ride anything because 1, it's really hot outside. 2, the lines were really long, and 3, I got tricked at Antarctica, and I was sad because some of the lines were very long, and it just sucks, but it's a step. We'll see where it goes from here. I'm Adrian from LoshTV. Don't forget to check out my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and don't forget positivity is key, and stay excellent, my dudes.